I liked A&A Exteriors because the sales rep that came out treated my property like it was his. He showed all the different varieties of products. He brought products actually out to the house, recommended the best for my property, and wanted to do the work versus just come and take the money and sub it out to someone else.
I chose A&A Exteriors because of Jesse Jordan's attitude. He has a good attitude towards the company and the customer. And it made me feel very good. And like he was really going to help me fix my place up to where it was before the hailstorm.
I'd recommend A&A Exteriors because, they were honest. Going to be done was done, and done in the time period that they said that it was going to be done in.
When I asked Jesse questions, he was always very good with his answers, and he was very thorough with them. And if I had any other questions, he'd answer them also.
Another nice thing about A&A Exteriors was Eric was very thoughtful and honest and actually recommended a better product than what was on my roof. Certainteed impact resistant shingle. Now my roof does need replaced in this last 2019 hailstorm. Eric came over and we did kind of a walk around and to make sure all the work was done, and I found very few nails in the rocks. They did an awesome job, even in the gutters. I walked up there and very few nails, very few chunks of leftover shingles. They did a perfect job.